We all want to live in a pleasant, comfortable, free, and confident manner. We want to wake up happily in the morning and travel wherever we want, whenever we want. We also desire things like a beautiful sports car and a big house. Most people want these things, but they don't have the conditions for them. So, how did those who have these conditions create them? Are there powerful people behind good conditions? Is it luck? Coincidence? Let's learn how to become wealthy, or even if you can't become wealthy, tactics to improve your living conditions. 1. Make a budget plan. Budget planning is one of the most important things to do for a comfortable life. You can do this using different methods, one of which is the jar method. You can apply this method by allocating your money to needs, wants, savings in different proportions when you receive your salary. You don't even need to do this physically. You can do it with several different bank accounts. Be sure this method will make you spend less money. 2. Save money. Saving money is beneficial for both your budget and minimizing the harm you do to nature. Saving money is actually very easy. The important thing is to make it a habit. Turn off the water while brushing your teeth. Unplug devices when leaving home. Even if you're at home, unplug devices you're not using and turn them off. Prepare a shopping list before shopping and stick to it. Avoid browsing shopping websites. Keep the notifications of shopping apps on your mobile phone off when there are no expected products. Shopping apps send you notifications to attract your attention and make you shop more. You can prevent yourself from shopping more this way. By adopting these simple habits, you can save significant amounts of money. 3. Invest. Invest your saved money in things that can bring you new money, such as stocks, funds, bonds, and securities. For example, you can become a shareholder in the world's largest companies through stocks. This way, you can both increase the value of your assets and earn new returns such as dividends and interest. 4. Never underestimate $1. When shopping, don't buy anything just because it's cheap if you don't need it or really want it. You can save from it and grow your investments. Remember, 1 is greater than 0. 5. Don't pay attention to advertisements. While browsing social media, surfing the internet, watching TV, walking on the streets, basically everywhere, you come across advertisements. All brands strive to grab your attention and persuade you to buy their products by triggering some of your emotions, whether you need those products or not. If you can't resist most ads, you may struggle to save and invest. By resisting advertisements, you can save money and invest in the brands being advertised. Let other people who are customers of the brands you invest in earn you more money. 6. Don't underestimate your investment. Rely on compound interest. You may be able to allocate only a small amount of the money you earn for investment, which can demotivate you, but you shouldn't allow this, because the money you invest will earn you more money. By continuing to invest this new money, you will have the opportunity to earn more profit in the future. Poor people buy something as soon as they have enough money to buy it, but wealthy people invest that money instead of buying that thing, and when that investment grows enough to buy several of those things, they buy it. 7. You don't need to be perfect. Remember that you are a human. You may not be able to apply these tactics perfectly. Don't let this cause you to lose motivation. Sometimes you may buy a product you want, forget to save. Some months the balance of your budget may be disrupted, but these are not problems. The important thing is to make these tactics a habit over time. It would be useful to make a few suggestions at the end of the video. Don't make budget arrangements that will make your daily life and your family's life difficult. Don't invest with the money you need. Don't invest in investment tools you don't know to make quick and high amounts of profit. Otherwise, what you're doing will be gambling, not investment. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked the video, you can press the like button. See you in the next video. Goodbye.